Why are some women able to see sculpted, defined muscle while others still feel soft no matter how much they lift? Why do some women lose a lot of weight but never actually look toned? And why do some women lift really heavy and feel really strong, but when they look in the mirror or when they're getting dressed, they just feel puffy and they don't look as strong as they feel? If you've been lifting for months, maybe even years, and you're still not seeing the muscle definition that you expected, then this is for you. Welcome to video number 1 of How to Look Like You Lift workshop. In this free series, I'm going to break down exactly why your hard work isn't showing and how to fix it. Because when you really understand what's going on, then you can finally start to see that muscle definition pop. Hey, I'm Kiki, trainer's trainer, coach, and founder of EM2WL. And I have been working for the last 15 plus years with women over the age of 40, helping them to learn how to eat, train, and recover better so that they can finally get below that 30% body fat mark and finally see the body that they've been working so hard for. I've seen so many women lifting weights, working out, eating clean, and still they don't actually look like they lift. I get it. I've been there too. But after years of trial and error, I've cracked the code. Crack the code on why muscle definition stays hidden for some women and what actually makes it show. And I want to help you to get results without wasting another second on what doesn't work. First and foremost, one of the biggest lies that so many women have been told is that in order to tone up, you just need to do more cardio or lift really light weights with high reps. So the whole high reps to tone and lean out. Wrong. If you're lifting too light, doing too much cardio, and not eating enough, you're likely losing muscle along with the fat. And losing muscle means you're losing the very thing that creates definition. That's right. Muscle definition is actually just muscle, which means you can't tone muscle. You can either build it or lose it. So if you feel like your muscle is hiding or you're someone who classifies themselves as skinny fat, it's because your approach has been working against you rather than for you. So with that in mind, let's look at the 3 biggest mistakes that are keeping women from looking like they lift. Mistake number 1 is doing endless circuits instead of actual strength training. Remember, not everything that has a dumbbell or barbell in it is actually strength training. So if your workouts feel like a non-stop sweat fest with no breaks, you're likely burning muscle instead of building it. Mistake number 2 is lifting the same weights forever. So progressive overload is the name of the game, meaning your weights have to go up over time. If your weights haven't gone up in months, your body has already adapted. And that means no new definition. Mistake number 3 is not eating enough to support muscle. When we get stuck in a diet mindset and always trying to eat less and less and less in order to shed weight, your body isn't getting the fuel that it needs in order to build or preserve muscle. If you're not building or preserving it, once again, you're losing it, which means no definition. Does any of those sound familiar? If so, you are not alone. The good news is, now that you know this, you understand that you don't actually need to train harder, you need to train smarter. Harder is not what's going to create muscle definition. The key is understanding how to lift, how to eat, how to recover in a way that actually reveals the muscle mass that you have or builds any muscle mass that you're missing. And that's exactly what we're diving into in this free video series. So I'm so excited. In video number 2, I'll show you the exact training method that you need in order to start seeing muscle pop without spending hours in the gym. But first, I want to hear from you. What is your biggest frustration with seeing muscle definition? Take some time and think on this. Drop it in the comment below, or if you're inside of the group, post it over there. It's important that you think about this moving forward, because now that you know what the biggest mistake is that's keeping you from looking like Chula, you want to make sure that you don't miss video number 2, where I'm going to show you how to fix the workout so that you actually build and sculpt that muscle. So make sure, if this is the first video that you're seeing and the other ones aren't available yet, that you turn on the notifications so that you don't miss it. If video number 2 is already out, then come on, I'll see you in the next video.